how to edit review on Etsy.com. I am really excited about this video because I'm sure you'll be learning how to edit reviews on Etsy. So if you're in this position where you don't know how to do this, just sit through and watch to the end so that you don't miss any important information. So the first step is to sign in into Etsy.com. Once you're signed in, this is how the page looks like, where you can get a number of products either using any of these categories, which include personalized gifts, DIY, kids and babes, etc. So as you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see some icons which include favorite, updates, shop manager, then your account. Once you see your account, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, select purchases and reviews. Once you selected purchases and reviews, you will be brought to the purchases page automatically, where you can see all of the orders that you've made. So the next step is to select the item that you would like to review, or the item that you've left a review for before. Yeah, an item that you've left a review for. And then once you've selected that item, by the top right side of that items box, you'll see the more options button. Click on it. In this box, select edit review. All right, edit review. And then once you click on edit review, just go ahead and edit what you want to review, and you'll be asked to input the services and the products you receive. So you can just edit it and click on submit, and just like that, your review will be edited. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.